So let's let's do some calculating. Well, we know that this is 2.5. We know that this is 3.3 meters. And what we want to do now is to work out this length here. So circumference equals 2 pi r. Now there's a variation on that formula which we're going to have to get used to, and that's circumference equals pi times the diameter. We know that the diameter is twice the radius, so what I can do is I can take out the 2 and the r and replace it with d diameter. So circumference equals pi times the diameter, and this is the diameter of the circular part. So it's pi times 2.5, and your calculator will give you the answer. 7.854. Now because we've only got a semicircle, I'm going to divide by 2, and that gives 3.927. And the perimeter then is this 3.3 plus 2.5 plus 3.3 plus 3.927. Now you'll notice that I haven't used this because this line here is inside the shape and that's not part of the perimeter. The answer then is 13.027 meters. Part B. So we've got a quarter circle here. We know that this is 20 millimeters. Now, what we want to do is to work out that curved edge. So circumference equals 2 pi r. We know that this is the radius, so here's the centre, and here's the circumference. The distance between the centre and the circumference is the radius. So 2 pi times 20 is 40 pi. 2 times 20 is 40. 40 times pi is 125.66. Now what we have here is a quarter circle. So I'm going to divide this by 4. And then the perimeter is, well, it's 2 lots of 20. That's this and this, plus 31.42. That gives us 71.42 millimeters.